Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
On your mark, get set, go! Gotta make a layup. Oh boy. Now if for some reason we have no one that can make a layup, or we're tied at the end of the game, whoever has the most game pieces on our game board will be our winner. All right, Morgan's got one. Here goes Grace. All right, Morgan makes her second layup. Grace makes her second layup. Okay. Oh, Grace. Oh, Grace. Gotta make a layup. Gotta make a layup. Pay attention, Grace. Nope, kick. Nope, Grace. Grace, she already pulled that spot. You gotta pay attention. Find a spot that's open. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I am not sure what's happening here. Find an open spot. Find an open spot. Find an open spot. There it is. 1, 2, 3. To put us all out of our misery. Morgan right down the middle with 1, 2, 3. Try as she might. Grace didn't block her. Congratulations to Morgan.